2026 is not a normal year. The experts have a name for it. They call it the agentic era. This means the world is looking for balance. But right now, there is no balance. Money is tight.
How are you holding up right now?
I don't know. I got nothing left. No money to keep the lights on. Can't even buy groceries for my kids. I try to smile at them, and I just feel like I'm failing.
Countries are fighting.
Casualties continue to rise tonight on both sides of the Israel-Gaza conflict. Diplomatic channels that only days ago offered a glimmer of a ceasefire are now described by negotiators as, quote, frozen.
Jobs are changing fast because of artificial intelligence. This is the truth. Most people are scared. They want to survive 2026. So, they set goals. They look at the news and they make a plan to stay safe. Stop setting goals. In the normal world, a goal is just a target. It is based on what you can do right now. It is weak. It is just a wish. In Nichiren Buddhism, we do not set goals. We make a vow. A goal asks the world for permission. A vow commands the universe to listen. Nichiren Daishonin taught us a secret. You must understand the time you live in. The year 2026 is messy. Robots are doing jobs, prices go up and down, people are confused. Buddhism calls this the shadow. Your life force is the body. Think about it. A shadow cannot exist without a body. If there is no body, there is no shadow. The shadow follows the body. The world follows you. You feel anxious right now. You are worried about the future. That is not the world hurting you. That is your own heart. The world is just a mirror. It shows you how you feel inside. To win in 2026, you must stop chasing the shadow. You must make the body strong. You must use the practice of the Lotus Sutra. When you change, the world changes. The scary parts of 2026 will disappear. The problems will turn into power. This is not magic. It is like a machine. This is how you chant to break through in 2026. How do you make the body strong? How do you stop chasing the shadow? There are 5 pillars. These are the rules for 2026. Pillar number 1, master your mind. The new machines in 2026 are smart. They are called agentic AI. They do not just chat, they do the work for you. Nichiren Daishonin gave us a warning. He said, you must be the master of your mind. Do not let your mind master you. If you are weak, the machines will confuse you. They will make you feel small. But if you are strong, they will work for you. They will help you create value. Chant to make your mind big. Command the technology. Pillar number 2. Be human. There is too much fake content now. The world is tired of it. Real human connection is rare. It is becoming very valuable. The Buddha is not a statue. The Buddha is a person who acts with kindness. Your behavior is your power. When you chant Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, you shine. You have a lion's roar. No robot can copy that. Be the person who connects hearts. Pillar number 3. Use tools, but trust prayer. You can use apps to plan your day. This is smart. Buddhism calls this expedient means. It saves you time. But do not be fooled. The tool organizes your time, but the chanting gives you the energy to fill the time. The technology removes the friction. The prayer provides the fuel. Do not mix them up. Pillar number 4, change poison into medicine. You might feel tired. People call it burnout. In Buddhism, this stress is poison. Most people try to hide from the poison. They just sleep or take a break. We do not hide. We use the chant to change the poison. We turn it into medicine. Your problems make you stronger. Your illness becomes health. Your sadness becomes deep understanding. This is the power of Hendoku Iyaku. Pillar number 5, real treasure. Money is a treasure of the storehouse. It can be lost. Skills are treasures of the body. They can break. But treasures of the heart are forever. This is your good fortune. This is your faith. Nichiren taught that treasures of the heart are the best. When you have treasure in your heart, the money will follow. Do not chase the money. Build the heart. Now we must act. This is the routine for 2026. It is not hard, but you must do it right. First, your body. Sit up straight. Put your palms together. Do not close your eyes. Look at the wall. Look at the Gohonzon. You must be awake to face reality. Second, your voice. Listen to your own voice. It should be strong. It should have a rhythm. Think of a noble horse running fast. Do not be weak. Your voice is the engine. Third, your mind. This is the most important part. Do not pray to see if it works. That is weak. Do not beg. Pray with certainty. Believe you have already won. The result is already inside the cause. When you say the words, the victory is done. To break through in 2026, say this prayer. Sit down. Make this your vow. I vow to use the wisdom of the Buddha to master this new era. I will not be scared of the changes. I will use this time to prove the power of Namu Myo Horengekyo. I will master my work. I will bring hope to people who are confused. My victory in 2026 is the victory of the law. Muster your faith. Pray to the Gohonzon. There is nothing you cannot do. Start now.